Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Keep Me Vivid is probably one of the most talked about hair care products on the market right now, and for good reason. This innovative shampoo is designed to not only cleanse your hair effectively but also to preserve and enhance the vibrancy of your hair color, making it a must-have for anyone who invests in dyeing their locks. If you're tired of watching your beautiful hair color fade after just a few washes, this could be the game changer you've been searching for, promising to keep your hues looking fresh and radiant for longer periods. Number 5. Olaplex N².5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Introducing the Olaplex N².5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It's designed to repair existing damage and protect your hair from future breakage. Tired of frizz? This powerful conditioner works to significantly reduce frizz, leaving your hair smooth and manageable. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this formula is perfect for you. It provides the care your unique texture needs. Experience visibly stronger hair with every use. It helps to reinforce the bonds within your hair, making it more resilient. Discover the transformative power of Olaplex. It's more than just a conditioner, it's a commitment to healthier, stronger hair. What we like? This conditioner is designed to repair and strengthen your hair, making it more resilient. It also helps to combat frizz, leaving your locks smoother. If you have damaged or frizzy hair, this is a great option for you. What people say. My hair is now sofffftt, not frizzy even when it is humid out. This is all in just 3 days. My hair using Olaplex No. 5 is softer, smoother, and appears more shiny and conditioned. It remains frizz-free, which is not easy to accomplish as I also have naturally curly hair which I tend to flat iron most days, and soft to the touch for a day or two after using this product. It leaves my hair feeling incredibly soft, hydrated, and easy to manage. After a few weeks of use, I noticed less frizz and my hair looked healthier and shinier overall. Number 4. Bold Uniq Purple Shampoo. Tired of unwanted yellow tones in your blonde, silver, or gray hair? Our purple shampoo is specially formulated to neutralize brassiness and restore your desired shade. This shampoo doesn't just color correct, it also deeply conditions damaged hair. It helps to repair and revitalize, leaving your locks feeling soft and healthy. We believe in gentle care. That's why our formula is free from parabens and sulfates, and is completely vegan. You can achieve beautiful hair without compromising your values. Whether your hair is blonde, silver, or gray, this shampoo is designed to enhance its natural beauty. It works effectively to maintain and brighten your light hair color. Discover the transformative power of our purple shampoo. Achieve vibrant, healthy-looking hair with every wash. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine. What we like? This purple shampoo is excellent at neutralizing unwanted yellow tones, keeping your blonde, silver, or gray hair vibrant. It also conditions damaged hair, making it softer. If you have lightened or gray hair that tends to get brassy, this is the product you need. What people say. This turned all of my hair a silver color and reduced the transition line, and really brightened it up. It toned down the brass really nicely. Some areas more than others, but no worries as I like to mention. If you are looking for a strong purple hair mask to remove brassy tones from blonde hair quickly, I highly recommend this one. With just one application, I see a noticeable improvement in my brassy tones. Number 3. Biolage Color Last Shampoo. Keep your hair color looking vibrant and fresh. This shampoo is designed to protect your treated hair. Experience hair that feels nourished and looks stronger. It helps to maintain the health of your strands. Enjoy deeply hydrated hair that feels incredibly soft to the touch. It replenishes moisture for a silky feel. Add a beautiful, natural shine to your locks. It enhances your hair's radiance without weighing it down. Formulated with beneficial ingredients like soybean oil and stearic acid. It's a gentle yet effective choice for your hair. This formula is free from parabens and mineral oil. Plus, it's a vegan option you can feel good about using. What we like? This shampoo is specifically formulated to maintain the vibrancy of color-treated hair, while also nourishing and hydrating it. It leaves hair with a beautiful shine. If you frequently color your hair and want to preserve its color and health, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It definitely helps to protect and maintain the color, Leaves the hair and color shiny and healthy. The shampoo definitely helps with retaining the color of my hair dye longer than other brands I have tried. My hair always feels fresh and clean afterwards, and I have less hair loss after using. This shampoo has a thick texture, and just a small drop is enough to create a generous lather. It's free of parabens and silicones, which is especially valuable for colored hair that's already exposed to enough stress. This shampoo is said to help extend color vibrancy. Number 2. PURA Original Gold Label Anti-Thinning Shampoo. Are you struggling with thinning hair? Discover a solution that's clinically tested and powered by nature. It's designed to strengthen and volumize for a fuller look. Our unique formula has been rigorously tested to ensure effectiveness. It harnesses the power of botanicals to address your hair concerns. Key ingredients like biotin and argan oil work together to nourish your scalp and strands. This powerful combination promotes healthier hair growth. Gentle yet effective, this shampoo is free from harsh sulfates. It works to strengthen your hair from root to tip without stripping essential moisture. Achieve the voluminous hair you've always desired. This shampoo is specifically formulated to add body and fullness, making your hair appear thicker. Whether you're a man or a woman, this anti-thinning shampoo is suitable for all. It addresses hair thinning concerns for everyone. What we like. This shampoo features a clinically tested botanical formula designed to combat thinning hair and promote fuller-looking locks. It strengthens and volumizes your hair effectively. If you're concerned about hair thinning or want to achieve more volume, this is a highly recommended option. What people say. This shampoo helped regrow my postmenopausal thinning hair. My hair now has body, much more shine, and is noticeably thicker. After 6 months my hair has stayed thicker with no hair loss. Number 1. Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Introducing our Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner Set, designed to revitalize your hair. This powerful formula is free from sulfates and parabens, ensuring a gentle yet effective treatment. Struggling with thinning hair? Our set is specifically formulated to help boost volume and thickness. Experience fuller, healthier looking hair with continued use. Achieve the hair you've always dreamed of. This treatment works to thicken and volumize your strands, giving you a noticeable lift and body. Enriched with keratin, this set strengthens your hair from root to tip. It helps to repair damage and improve overall hair resilience. Suitable for everyone, this set is perfect for both men and women. It addresses common hair concerns, promoting healthy growth and vitality for all. Enjoy a luxurious hair care experience without harsh chemicals. Our sulfate and paraben-free formula delivers visible results while being kind to your scalp. What we like. This set is perfect for those looking to thicken and volumize their hair, especially if it's thinning. The sulfate and paraben-free formula ensures a gentle yet effective treatment. If you desire fuller, more voluminous hair and prefer clean ingredients, this set is ideal for you. What people say. It honestly smells like a high-end salon shampoo conditioner duo. It actually does work so well. I put in quite a bit of oils and hair care before washing my hair, and all of those oils were removed without leaving any waxy, greasy feel to my hair. I used the shampoo and conditioner for probably a month. I'm not really sure. But I still absolutely love it. In the pictures I am going to attach, you can see that I had a decent amount of growth, the hair from the root that looks gray. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.